Ready? Rolling around that in new gear is sick. You wouldn't be able to go any further.
So 720, so get the squat
I've got to give him that if you want it.
What is it? Oh, I won't use that one. That one is fucking sick. You would look like Hulk Hogan.
like that little wheelie machine.
Give it a rev for me, I want to hear it. Hey guys, how we doing? Long time no speak. You joined me back in the workshop. Yeah, How are we all? I hope everyone's doing well. Sorry I'm not mic'd up. I've lost the adapter for the mic so I can use it on my phone, so no good audio, just phone camera audio. But yeah, I've had pretty crazy few weeks, to be honest with you, so I haven't done much filming or got much out to you guys. Thought I'd get a little video together and do a little update for you. So yeah, I bought the Harley Davidson Sport Glide about 3 weeks ago now, and I've actually done over 1,000 miles on it already, which is pretty crazy. A couple of weekends ago, me and Austin went to Dartmoor and then on to Cornwall and back, and I've already posted that video, so go and watch that if you haven't done already. That was a good 700-800 miles. And then last weekend I rode over to Wales for the Hookup Chopper Show in Usk, which is about 200-300 miles away, so I did there and back in a weekend. So yeah, over 1,000 miles in the past few weeks, and absolutely zero complaints about the bike. Best bike I've ever had, hands down. I can't think of a better option for me. Obviously, all my videos, I'm on different bikes. I've done the Triumphs, the retro classic, kind of modern classic bikes. I've done more of the choppery Sportsters, done the Honda Rebel, and I feel like the Sport Glide is the perfect balance of all of the things I like about all of my other bikes in one bike. It's got the style that I love, the Harley fat bagger cruiser, so the style hits a nail on the head. I've got the modern engine that I loved about the Honda Rebel and the power there, so it absolutely flies when I want it to, but also got the character of that V-twin. Rumble pulls me along, engine is absolutely spot on. And then it's got the quick release front fairing, quick release bag, so when I want to I can take all that off and have like a smaller, cool, like Road King style cruiser. I'm literally overjoyed with that bike. So the previous owner already did a stage 2 cam on it, so it's got that extra punch. It's already got the Cobra slip-on pipe, heated grips, higher front windshield, sissy bar, day running indicator LEDs. Obviously I want to add my style to it, so I'm going to add big black 12-inch 8 hangers. I'm going to get some floorboards for it. I've already fitted my R&S Big Sucker Velocity air filter. I'm going to get like a different sissy bar, black thick sissy bar that goes with my black thick 8 hangers that I'm going to put on. I've got lots and lots to do. I want to get rid of the emblem on the tank as well. I'm not too keen on that modern Harley logo on the tank, so I'd like to just go all black and chrome, you know, my usual style, black chrome, 8 hangers. Yeah, got lots and lots planned for this bike. It will be hanging around for a long while because it does everything I want to do. It's so easy to do long miles with this bike. Like going to Wales and back the other day was absolutely no sweat. On any other bike I'd be a bit sore and a bit tired, but on that it was effortless. It was so good, so enjoyable. Got some filming done at the Hookup. The Hookup Chopper Show is so fun. Got there on a Saturday, left on a Sunday. I think I missed out on a lot of fun which happened on the Friday night, so next time I go, I'm going to go from the Friday to the Sunday. I think it, yeah, definitely peaked Friday night from all the videos I saw. So Saturday night was slightly more tame, but had really good fun. The bikes there were immaculate, beautiful choppers. And you had the bands playing, food, tattoo artists, photographers. It was sick. It was really cool. Street vendors, like highly recommend it. Just over the bridge over in Wales in a place called Usk. Hopefully I see some of you guys next year there. Definitely worth going. I think the tickets were about £85, camping all through the weekend. Yeah, highly recommend. Last night I managed to get to Old Boot Bikers Wednesday night, bike night, local pub near me, probably about 10 miles away. Managed to get there, so after this little chat I've got some footage to show you. Just going there, hanging out, really cool bunch of bikes there, huge variety, beautiful Triumphs, some Harleys, some choppers, some sports bikes, classic bikes. Really cool meet up there because you get a beautiful variety of bikes. If you're local, definitely worth checking that out as well. Every Wednesday night at the George and Dragon in Watton at Stone, just outside of Ware, Hertfordshire. Yeah, had really good fun there. Dad come along, and then my friend Matt, who's got a street bob. I'll put in some footage now. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you after the footage is done, and we'll go from there.
Yeah, when you first moved in, that's your class of the dog.
I did, did I?
When did you move in?
October.
October.
So we've been there long already? Almost a year.
Not when I'm low on water. Flying off to look at a car.
Yeah, yeah.
So I use a big boy, I've got a big sexy multi.
Nice. Yeah, lovely, yeah.
Which is a beautiful.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Go anywhere on that.
Yeah.
These ones like that, it's lovely having these.
Yeah, exactly.
Just here, Watton at Stone, George and the Dragon pub for bike night every Wednesday. Old Boot Steph puts this on, I think. Awesome bike. Very, very cool.
Vibes. Yeah.
You could see Hulk Hogan or someone on it.
Yeah, exactly that. Or Aussie.
Yeah. Suzuki 4-cylinder, man. A beast.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, awesome. Like a little. All that. The tank is all custom painted, all sorts. Yeah. yeah, that was a little ride out to the old Boot Bikers Wednesday night, bike night. Had really good fun there. Waiting on a bunch of parts for the bike. I've already got the bars that I'm ready to put on. I need to get some risers. Putting on new handlebars on these new Softails is actually really, really hard. You need to extend all these internal cables. Obviously you have to extend the clutch, extend the brake. It's a big, big job. It's nothing like putting new bars on a Sportster. Unfortunately, I even went to Harley and asked them to quote me to do it, and they quoted me £1,100 just to install some ape hangers, which is so crazy, but it's a big job. So I'm gonna try and do it myself. I've ordered a bunch of different parts. So far, it's probably cost me about just over £300 in parts, and then I'm gonna try and do it myself. Probably do it over a weekend when they all arrive. Yeah, bars, risers, extended cables, extended clutch cable, and extended brake cable. I'm going to give that a go, maybe next weekend. All the parts won't arrive, unfortunately, in time for this weekend, so get them on. I've got some floorboards coming that I've ordered, get them on. I've got a new sissy bar that's coming, get that on. And then I'm going to black the tank out as well, gloss black. Anyway guys, that's about it on the update front. But I want to hear from you really, because my content's been changed. I've been focusing on a bit more like feature videos rather than daily vlogs, but I don't really know what you guys want. So if you've got this far in this video, I know you guys enjoy my content and you're probably an OG subscriber. So can you comment down below, what do you prefer? Do you prefer like just the daily vlogs, me getting up to going to the coffee shop, tinkering with my bike, or do you prefer more of the feature films, me going doing a long trip with Austin and going to a Europe trip or going to a big event? I'm just kind of struggling on what kind of content to put out now. So I would really appreciate any of your feedback on what kind of videos that you want, and I will try my best to get them videos done. And if you haven't already done, please like, subscribe, really, really helps. And yeah, really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ride safe. Peace.